Hi, welcome back to our video series of our module 4 for English 7 or lesson 4 about the direct and indirect speech. So I am now in the second page of our module if you can follow. So I will discuss in this video the rules to convert a direct speech into an indirect speech. So we have to talk first about the changes that happen in the verb tenses. So the first rule, present simple changes into past simple. So if the direct speech is in the present simple, the indirect speech should be in the past simple. Okay? So let us have the given example. He said, I eat every day. So our present simple tense here is the eat. And then converted into indirect speech, he said that he ate every day. So the simple present tense eat should now become ate, or the past simple tense in the indirect speech I mean. Okay? For the rules for present continuous should be changed into past continuous. The example, she said, I am doing my homework. So the present continuous tense I'm doing in the direct speech should be changed to was doing in the indirect speech. So please take note, present continuous changed to past continuous. Next is present perfect tense should be changed into past perfect tense. The example, he said, I have eaten a mango. I have eaten is the present perfect tense in the direct speech. Should be changed to, he said that he had eaten a mango. So the past perfect tense here is the had eaten. Changing the have eaten, present perfect, to past perfect had eaten. So please take note of the changes in the verb tenses. Next is the present perfect continuous tense should be changed into past perfect continuous tense. So the example, she said it has been snowing for 5 days. Should be converted or changed to, she said that it had been snowing for 5 days. So present perfect continuous has been snowing should be changed to past perfect continuous had been snowing. Okay? So I hope you are still following. Past simple tense should be changed to past perfect tense. Geta said they went to the park. So the simple past tense here is the went, the verb went, and then should be changed to Geta said they had gone to the park. So the past simple tense went should be changed to past perfect tense had gone. Okay? Past simple tense went and the past perfect tense of went is had gone. Next, the past continuous tense should be changed to past perfect continuous. Remember, Raj said to me, I was waiting to see you. So the past continuous tense here is was waiting. And it should be changed down into past perfect continuous. Therefore, we have had been waiting. So again, was waiting past continuous should be changed to had been waiting past perfect continuous when expressed in the indirect speech. Next, the past perfect should not be changed. Past perfect should also be past perfect. Let us see. She said, I had eaten a pizza. So should be expressed, she said that she had eaten a pizza. So you have there had eaten past perfect should not be changed, and that should be had eaten also a past perfect. Next is future simple should be changed into would. Okay? Not necessarily change in tense, but change in form. So Chris said, I will buy a chocolate. So Chris said that he would buy a chocolate. So you have there the will is changed into would. Okay. Future continuous will be into would be. So just would like is just also like this will to would. So I will be catching a taxi will be he would be catching a taxi. It becomes he here because the person being referred to is Ben, who is a man or masculine in gender. Future perfect will have should be changed into would have. So still the will to would only. John said, I will have eaten the pizza. John said that he would have eaten the pizza. So the only changes still is the will to would. The will to would and the will to would. So that's all for the second video. I'll be discussing the next rule for changing direct to indirect speech. So see you in the next video. Goodbye everyone. Thank you.